A cost-effective, lightning-fast system that doesn't get tired and has all the knowledge of the internet ready for you to put to work. If the reality matches the dream, AI's value proposition is pretty clear, and people are taking notice. According to Forbes Business Advisor, AI market size is expected to reach $407 billion by 2027. AI will have an estimated 21% net increase on the United States GDP by 2030. ChatGPT had 1 million users within the first 5 days of being available. But if your experience with AI has been typical, you found it more frustrating than useful. So today, we're outlining 5 reasons why you should stick with AI tools, learn how to get the most out of them, and put yourself in the best position to ride the AI wave. Reason 1, competitive intelligence teams are small. Small might be the norm, but this is a role with serious weight. You have the potential to impact revenue, contribute to strategy, and become a valued advisor to the business's leadership. But no matter how well you prioritize, and no matter how smart you work, there's always going to be valuable work you can't get done when you work alone. In a scenario like this, any opportunity to extend your capacity through delegation is golden. AI can help with that. CI budgets are limited. Your budget's limited, and winning more of it is not a straightforward task. For that reason, it's far easier to get permission for a low-cost subscription to an AI tool than it would be to get permission to hire another team member, given their potential to boost your working efficiency at a low cost. By the way, for a detailed practical guide on getting the most out of AI for competitive intelligence, check out the link in the description for a copy of the AI and CI playbook. Reason 3, there's more data than ever to manage. Competition is at an all-time high, and your stakeholders' expectations aren't far behind. If you're to offer meaningful, valuable points of view on your intel, you want that intel to be as comprehensive and high quality as possible. Today, AI tools can help you route, collect, and process your data at lightning speed. And with the right implementation, the upsides are even greater, including a shorter cycle from data ingestion to usable insights, deeper, stronger understanding of data points and the relationships between them, and ultimately, greater impact on business performance. That means a stronger impact on the bottom line for the business and faster career growth for you. Reason 4, it pays to make your processes as efficient as possible. Be honest. How many of your tasks would you delegate if you could? Even some high-value tasks like creating enablement content can largely be delegated. You've done the deep work, parsed the data, and extracted the insights. Formatting those insights is something an AI assistant could do for you. Fouad Benayoub, Director of Competitive Strategy at Everbridge, believes automation is the future. After all, when you get the busy work done in half the time, you free up hours to work on strategic initiatives that help the business hit its goals, which ultimately gets you recognized and pushes you up the career ladder. Reason 5, it pays to mitigate risk. On a personal level, on a professional level, and on a business level, it pays to mitigate risk. Remember, AI is faster than you. More information, more completely understood, is a large part of your role, so you risk falling behind CI pros at other companies who are using AI if you're not. Don't risk falling behind by allowing your skills to become obsolete. No matter how slim you believe the chances of AI replacing you to be, they're not zero. And the chances of someone with strong AI skills replacing someone with no AI skills in the future is even higher. If you choose not to use AI as it becomes more ingrained into the workforce, you risk losing out on future roles to those with AI skills, an ineffective competitive program as competitors use AI to become more efficient, not making enough of an impact with your work to progress your career. Learn how to use AI as it develops, and you'll mitigate these risks. If you'd like to learn more about using AI in competitive intelligence, grab your copy of the AI and CI playbook at the link in the description. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.